Hello everyone, this is humid from Smart Duck Studios, and today I'm going to be telling you about the BM800 microphone. This is a review over the BM800 microphone vocals. If you want to see an unboxing or a setup video, links in the description. So first off, we are going to be testing the proximity effect, which is about 6 inches away from the face, from the microphone, so it is about right here. So it should change just a little bit, and a proximity effect is more of a closening to the person you're talking to. If you want to create in vocals or singing, this is the perfect effect for it. I am going to sing a song I wrote and a song that's going to be released very soon, so here's a sneak peek. This is a singing test for the BM800 microphone, proximity effect. You don't know me anymore. Your words fall farther from the truth. Nights go on and I can't remember. Time passes and days go by. Don't you go lying about me. Enter in the end zone, don't you know? Can't you see? This is my time. This time is for me. Okay, now I'm going to be 1 foot away from the microphone to see how it sounds. You don't know me anymore. Your words fall farther from the truth. Nights go on and I can't remember. Time passes and days go by. Don't you go lying about me. Enter in the end zone, don't you know? Can't you see? This is my time. This time is for me. Talking directly into the microphone without the pop filter. I'm going to be talking to the top of the microphone, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Directly into the side of the microphone, into the other side of the microphone, and directly behind the microphone, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, testing the front of the microphone, distance of 1 foot, 2 feet, 3 feet into the microphone, 1, 2, 3, 3 feet into the microphone. Okay, now I'm back to about 6 inches away from the microphone. This is the condenser microphone BM800 microphone. If you can hear this, then congratulations. This microphone is probably doing its job. Thanks, BM800. You did not sponsor this video, but I would really appreciate it if you did, or if anyone in the comments actually left a like. That would be really appreciated. I really do love the support, and I would really love to make future videos with microphones and other gadgets, and doing unboxings is very fun too. So, again, this is the review of the BM800 microphone. Here you guys go, BM800 microphone. Probably went out of focus, but thanks guys for watching. Peace.